A feast to the eyes and ears. Let's visualize an angelic view of a temple of learning, a sprawling campus, a vision of excellence from every angle. Let's embrace the journey of Sri LG Haria Multipurpose School, a knowledge hub of Vapi, where we plant the seeds of success, where we ignite the spark of wisdom, learning, and growth. Sri LG Haria School is an endeavor by Sri Kaushik Haria Educational Foundation, established in the year 1987. The vision of late Sri Lakam Sri Govindji Haria was spearheaded by late Sri Kantilal Haria to shape the young minds of 21st century, a humble beginning with humongous vision. The school has got its current face under the able guidance of late Sri Kantilal Haria, founder chairman, and Sri A.K. Shah, chairman. Under their powerful leadership, the pace of expansion and development has reached its pinnacle. The school management, under the leadership of Sri Bimal Haria, managing trustee, and other philanthropic leaders, keep abreast with rapid changes taking place in the field of education. Sri LG Haria Multipurpose School is a huge school with a strength of about 2,200 students from playgroup to grade 12 and over 100 highly qualified, experienced and dedicated staff. At LGHS, believe in the whole child approach in education. We believe that children are not things to be molded, but are people to be unfolded. Morning assembly, a moment of reflection and growth, voices in harmony, is enlightening the path for the day ahead. Let's seek the blessings of Goddess of Learning, Ma Saraswati. Miss Benny Paul, the principal, plays a vital role to ensure high academic standards. Her good governance and excellent coordination encompasses strong leadership, clear vision, and ethical decision making directly influences the growth and success of students. Our dynamic, dedicated, and well qualified teachers are strong pillars who create a positive impact in the lives of our students, and we believe that it is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Another attraction of LGHS is a spacious ground for sports enthusiasts. Well-designed basketball court alongside several expansive spaces for other sports activities, both indoors and outdoors. Academics plays a prime role in our institution, where we focus in revolutionizing education with a touch of tech. Our classrooms are designed to fulfill the needs of budding Harians. We emphasize on conceptual learning by relating theoretical knowledge through practical application to provide a better understanding of the concepts. Considering the increased demand, we have an extensive lab setups to delve into the world of curiosity, research, and discovery. To enhance the digital learning, we cater one-on-one computers to the students. The school library, the treasure of knowledge, pulse of school community, provided with enormous number of books in different genres, focusing the taste of the literary minds to imbibe the reading habits in our blooming readers. The school focuses to provide energizers to the students who are blessed with imaginative skills. The kalakars holding a pencil and a long paintbrush create a world beyond imagination, where they spread their wings of artistic skills. A dance studio is set in the school for children who are inclined towards performing arts, an inspiring space where the students explore the world of rhythm, movement, and artistic expression. Music room, a space to tune into passion for music, the beautiful blend of sur and tal, a range of instruments, strings to percussion, to tap the musical talents of blooming musicians. To supplement indoor sports activities, a capacious room has been set up with a wide range of provisions to facilitate best to our kids. The most beloved place, the heart of a school, kindergarten, the perfect place to grow, achieve and inspire. We focus on hands-on activities and playway methods to ignite the spark of inquisitiveness in the little munchkins. Kids Playground, a space for developing cognitive, social, emotional and creative skills. The place where the children love to spend long hours. A special place for kids, first time in Vapi, the most fascinating indoor play area packed with colorful slides, swings, climbing structures and endless fun. A perfect destination for little ones to explore, laugh and play in a secure environment. Disha. The counseling cell has been initiated to nurture and foster the emotional and mental well-being of our students. Auditorium. The stage for dreams, the center of school culture, creativity and celebrations. The place where we chisel out many new talents by providing various exposures to sharpen their innate talents. We are blessed with the brilliant performers at inter-school, district and state level. Our students are our pride. Our school's conference room acts as a space for strategic discussions and collaborations, where important meetings drive the vision and growth of our school. Administration office, the backbone of a school, act as a center of support for all the stakeholders for the smooth functioning of the institution. The school buses, the lifeline of a school, which facilitates easy and safe transportation amenities to our students. School canteen, go-to spot for a break and a bite. We invite you to be the stakeholder of this prestigious institution. Let's collaborate for a better future.